Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about disasters. So first, I want you to please pause the video and name the things that you see here in the pictures. Okay guys, so if you notice we have a tsunami, we have an earthquake, hurricane, a fire, 9/11, and a blackout, which is when the power is out. So we're going to listen to a story and I want you to please answer this question. What were they doing when the power went out? We have Angela and Tetsu. Let's listen.
Page 14. Exercise 2. Language in context. Lights out.
I was cooking pasta when suddenly everything went dark. Luckily, I had some candles. I couldn't finish making my meal, so I just ate cereal for dinner. Angela.
While my friends and I were watching a movie at home, the lights went out. Unfortunately, no one knew how the movie ended, so we took turns telling our own endings. Tetsu.
Okay, guys. So, what was Angela doing when the power went out? She was cooking pasta. What about Tetsu? He and his friends were watching a movie. Very good. Now we're going to listen again, and this time we're going to answer. What did they do after the blackout? So remember, the lights went out. So what did they do after that? Let's listen again.
Page 14. Exercise 2. Language in context. Lights out.
I was cooking pasta when suddenly everything went dark. Luckily, I had some candles. I couldn't finish making my meal, so I just ate cereal for dinner. Angela.
While my friends and I were watching a movie at home, the lights went out. Unfortunately, no one knew how the movie ended, so we took turns telling our own endings. Tetsu.
Okay, guys. So what did Angela do? She ate cereal for dinner. And what about Tetsu? He and his friends took turns telling their own ending of the movie. Okay, guys, great job. Now, I want you to please read these sentences. When are these things happening? And what structures do you see? Please pause the video while you analyze. Okay, guys, so if you notice, these actions are in the past, all of them. And we have simple past and also past continuous. So let's look at them. If you notice, I have past continuous in bolded words and simple past as usual. So we have, for example, I was watching my favorite TV show. So this action was in progress. My sister was swimming. They were playing in the park. I was cooking pasta while my friends and I were watching a movie at home. If you see, these actions were in progress, but they were interrupted. And that's when we use simple past. I was watching my favorite TV show when my mother called me. My sister was swimming when she heard a scream. They were playing in the park when they saw the fire. I was cooking pasta when suddenly everything went dark. While my friends and I were watching a movie at home, the lights went out. Great job. Now, how do we form past continuous? Please pause the video while you think about this. How do we form past continuous and what about simple past? Okay, guys, so if you notice, we use past continuous with the past of verb to be, which can be was or were, depending on if we have singular or plural, plus our main verb with ing. Was watching, was swimming, were playing. And simple past, if it is a regular verb, we're just going to add ed, but if it is an irregular verb, we need to write the simple past form. Heard, saw, went. Okay, guys, great job. So, this is simple past versus past continuous. If you notice here, I was eating dinner, he called me. So, Past continuous is the long action, it was in progress, and it was interrupted by a short action. I was eating dinner when he called me last night, or when he called me last night, I was eating dinner. We can use both sentences, but they mean the same, right? One action was happening, and it was interrupted by another action. Okay, guys, now we're going to practice. So, first, let's go to our workbook, page 10, exercise number 2. What were they doing when the lights went out? Write sentences with the past continuous form of the verbs. Let's look at number 1. Mina read a book. In this case, Mina was reading a book. Let's do number 2 together. Martin wash dishes. We're going to write Martin was or were. What do you think? That's right, was. Martin was washing the dishes. Pause the video while you work on the rest, please. Okay, guys, now it's time to check. Brad and Kate were watching TV. I was talking to Tom on the phone. Laura was playing video games. Mr. and Mrs. Jones were eating dinner. Great job. Now, guys, let's continue working on our workbook, but this time we're going to work in the next exercise. Here you're going to complete the sentences with when and the words in parentheses. Here you're going to use the simple past form of the verbs. For example, number 1 says, Jen and Paul were making dinner on Friday when their friends arrived. Number 2, Martin was driving to the store when his brother called. That's correct. Pause the video while you work on the rest, please. Okay, guys, let's check. What were you doing yesterday when the electricity went off? When Jill sent me a text message, I was talking to Tom on my cell phone. What were they doing when the ambulance came? When the storm began, I was walking home from work. Okay, guys, excellent. Now, I want you to please complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in parentheses. Do you think you're going to need simple past or past continuous? Pause the video while you complete them. Okay, guys, it is time to check. So let's see. I was running when a dog started chasing me. My cat was sleeping when I called her to eat. While my friend was talking to me, I was drinking a glass of wine. She was studying when her friend called her. When he was washing the dishes, I put more and he got angry. Great job, guys. Now, let's go to our student book, page 15, exercise 3A. Here, you're going to complete the conversations with the past continuous or the simple past form of verbs. We're going to start number 1. What were you doing last night when the storm began? Yeah, because it's an action that started during another one. And I'm going to respond, I was using my computer because this happened before it was in progress and then the storm began. Okay, guys, pause the video while you work on the rest. Okay, guys, we're actually going to check this exercise during class, okay? I will see you there. Bye bye.